Hi guys, today we're going to make some fluffy pancakes and don't forget to smash the like button. First we need beat the egg whites. Now add some sugar. The egg whites are ready. Now set a little bit of flour. Add 2 egg yolks. Wow! Now add some milk. A little bit of vanilla essence. A little bit of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You should mix it very well. And I'll just tell you how I mix. Very fast. Add a little bit of egg white. Just mix it gently. You can't just do it very fast. Like this. Now the batter is ready. Now the exciting part, we're going to put it in the pan. When it's ready, you can only flip it. Say no, the pancakes are so fluffy. Now the pancakes are ready. So now these look like chocolate bars on the pancake, but they are not really. It's Nutella instead of chocolate bars. It's delicious. Please subscribe.